What's up guys, and in here I see that my friend Willie Austin want to ask what is the name of the number of font called. I like how it looks 3D. Okay, that's really simple, and I know in here we see lot of comment, but anyone doesn't have the perfect answer. So first of all friends, go to this search Lakers number font. Then you see this www.fontsforfree.net like this, so you can go there, and this font name is NBA Lakers. You just download. Just download and install the font on your computer, NBA Lakers. Just I have already installed it, and then let's do that. So in here we have this, so NBA Lakers. Just in here press this Ctrl T, NBA Lakers, NBA search Lakers, NBA Lakers. This is the font. Okay, you see that. Just make it per little bit gap on the design, make it create outline. So if you make it create outline it, so you can resize your text format. Just ungroup it, just little bit gap, because you just adding a white shape in here. So it's a really easy thought, but just take it correctly. Then I just choose this Lakers color, make it color. Then Ctrl C, Ctrl F. Again I told that Ctrl C for copy, Ctrl F for font paste. Ctrl C and Ctrl F. Okay, so then you just make it front layer color white. Then make it stroke color little bit 7, 8. So 8 I think will be perfect. Then this color, make it, just select it and arrange, bring to front. When you make it front, this white stroke will be backside layer. So then just select all of them, then object, expand, is here fill stroke. So okay, then it's all now fill mode. So then make it group, again Ctrl C, Ctrl F, then make it use pathfinder, make them unit. Then you just like this, and backside arrow, make it front. And that pretty much simple, and you can just fix this arrow using your pen tools, so this shape will be look more professional like there. This here, Boom, now it's perfectly done. So you can make it resize it, just make it group. Okay, now it's ready for print. Then you can export it in PNG. Control take a new page, file, export as, then PNG. Oh, my computer have lot of option in here. So in here you see that I just forgot. In here just lost it. Where I save it? This one. So this is ready for print. It's now in PNG transparent. And thank you so much. And if you think that's really help for you, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to learn this Adobe Illustrator in professional, so I will invite you to please visit my channel. I just give you every single class in a perfect way. So if you don't have any kind of knowledge in Adobe Illustrator, so you can learn it easily. And thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Slot class, and wish you get this your what you want, and wish you proper respect your time. And if you think that's really useful for you, please subscribe and make this family bigger. If we make it together, we can make these changes. And thank you so much.